Planning a trip this year? Well, here are 4 packing hacks that saves every trip. The difference between a stressful trip and a smooth sailing trip can be determined by how you pack your luggages. Now, if you are like I used to be when I was traveling back in the day, well, I'm still traveling, but you get my gist, right? You know that us girlies, we tend to pack extra. We pack things that we don't need. We just pack, and we don't have any space in our luggages for added things like souvenirs, gifts, etc. So, follow these hacks and it will help you to make your packing seamless and also reduce some of the issues that you have with packing, right? So, the first thing you're going to do is roll your clothing. Roll them instead of folding. Rolling gives you more space and it reduces wrinkles. And so you have more space in your luggage without overstuffing it. You remember just jumping, sitting, and trying to get those zip closed, right? None of that. So number 2, the second thing, you're going to ensure that you pack by outfits. Do not stuff random clothes in your bag. Make sure that you plan your day-to-day outfits and you pack accordingly. This will ensure that you don't have too much clothes that you're never going to wear on your trip and then you end up overstuffing, overpacking, and then the problem continues. So the third thing you're going to do is make sure that you're using packing cubes. This will ensure that your clothing, your toiletries, your accessories, everything are well organized so you can find everything easily. You don't have to be searching around, digging up and disorganizing your luggage. Remember that if you're on a move and you need to move quickly, it is good to ensure that everything is in your bag and is in the right order so you can find things easily. A trip doesn't always run as smoothly as you want it to be, so ensure that you plan accordingly. Make room for emergencies and have everything that they need to be in the right position so that you can move quickly and speedily and get everything that you want to get out of the way, right? And finally, if you're traveling with a check bag, ensure that all your essentials is in your carry-on, your medications, your travel documents, all the small stuff that you need to grab in case of an emergency. Some airlines require that you carry your power banks, your chargers, anything with batteries inside the cabin of the plane. So ensure that you follow the airplane guidelines when you are packing your equipment, okay? If you're able or if you're carrying a personal bag, you can put your essentials, your travel documents, your chargers, all those essential things, your toiletries, things that you're going to need to use immediately, like your makeup, all those things, put them in your personal item so that you can have easy access to them. If not, and you have your carry-on, then you use your carry-on. These are small habits that you build over time, but it makes a big difference, and your future self is going to thank you immensely for it. What packing hack or packing tip do you swear by? If you have anything special that you normally do for your trips, please sound off in the comments so that other persons and myself can see if we can use these tips to improve how we pack and prepare for our next trip. And guys, don't forget to save this post so that when you're planning your next trip, you can use this post as a guide. See you later, and don't forget to follow and subscribe. Bye!